work on the smaller kind of...
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Play with her head. Play with her head more. Your reins got a little longer when you stopped, okay? So shorten up the draw rein. Thumbs up. Stretch up, heel down, stay with the rhythm. Post higher. Shorten your draw rein more. Yes. Nikki, we're almost done, so you can have the draw reins back. Stretch up. Thumbs up. More trot, thumbs up, thumbs up. Thumbs up. We're going to stay in this circle, cut across the ring again. Play with her head, keep the leg on. Play with her head. Good girl. Now slow it down and sitting trot. Play with her head. Keep the leg on so she doesn't stop. Play with her head. Play with her head. Good. Good girl. Now if she keeps it there for a second, you can have your hands still, okay? Stretch up and back more. Lift higher through your chest. Sit back. Good girl. And walk.